Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Audi A3. Over to the phone, onto settings. We would need to go to, well, I'll just do that, onto settings. Then we need to select Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is green there. And then we're watching out at the bottom. Sometimes it will just come up automatically, but over here, you need telephone, so you click this button back, connect mobile phone, select again, that says continue, so select again, Audi MMI 8161, that's what we want, and Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, so click on that. That's thinking about it. There you go. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro is requesting to connect to the MMI, accept, yes. Does this pin match the pin on your Bluetooth device? Yes, it does. And now we can click pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And if we just go to the top, Audi MMI connected. Connection's been established. You'll see there it was established for also audio and the mobile. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system, the Audi MMI system in this 2018 Audi. What we need to do is go to music, we'll go to music, click on a record, we'll click play, turn that up, sorry, put that on, I'll turn it down so it doesn't play through here. Now whatever music plays on here, if you see at the bottom there, it's got Audi MMI 8161. If I just click on that, your choices are iPhone. So if I click that, the music will play out the speaker on the iPhone, but there's a tick next to Audi MMI. So whatever music, soundtrack is playing on here, whether it be Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, or Apple Music as it's called now, or Spotify, whatever music is playing on here will come out through the speakers. What you have to do now is go over to the system. There is media, so we click this one back. At the moment it's on external audio player, so that's kind of auxiliary. There's an auxiliary socket in here or two USBs. It would play through there. Anything that's plugged in there, that would play through there. If I click to the right, sorry, my other right, if I click to the left, you'll see there external audio player is selected. So if I turn this down, you'll see, and if there's anything else there, they will all be an option. But Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, click on that. There you go, I'll just turn that down. But it's showing the track that's playing on here. Remember the name. And on here, it's actually turned it up again, which is a bit of a nuisance. But so that's it. Remember the name. If I turn it up, that's it. That's how you play audio through the system. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Audi A3. First of all, we have to make sure that the phone that you're going to delete is, there we go, forget this device. So it's knocked off your phone's not on. Now we go over to the system. Whatever screen it's on here, we need to select telephone. So onto telephone. You see there it says connect mobile phone. I don't want to connect it, but that's what you need to select. You'll see here there's a plus at that side. Connect mobile phone and a plus. So what we do, we don't press on it, we click sideways. That brings up another menu, the connection manager. We select connection manager, click on connection manager. That brings you up primary phone, data connections, MMI, all that sort of stuff. And it says not connected there. Now, you may think because there's a plus there, you need to knock across to the side again, but you don't. What you need to do now is select primary phone by clicking. It then gives you all the phones that are connected to this system and gives you the option to delete it. So now you turn the rotary control till you get to the phone you want to delete, there's another plus at the side. There's a box there that you would select if you wanted to connect it, but you don't want to connect it, you want to delete it. So there's a plus at the side there. You knock the rotary control across again. Now you've got another menu. Display Bluetooth profile, store as default telephone, delete Bluetooth device, Bluetooth settings, online. But we want delete Bluetooth device. So we turn that down to delete Bluetooth device. Then we press the center to select. The device has been deleted. The device has been deleted. That's it, gone. It's hard work, not intuitive at all, but that's how you do it. Once you know how to do it, it's easy enough. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Audi A1 from any screen. Here we go. We've got these two buttons here. You click them forward and backwards, so it's 2 buttons but 4 options. You knock the left one forward for nav or map, like nav. If I click it again, where would you like to go? Home address and so on. So here, so you click it forward, it's on map, nothing there to see. You'll see there's a menu at the side, so if I click over there, we can click from map to switch to destination entry. So we'll do it this way, or you can just click again, click forward. So switch to destination entry, like so. We get back to the same screen. That's the map. If you click it again, you go back to that screen. So that's the easy way, sorry. Where would you like to go? Home address. It looks like there's a couple of others, other addresses there that we'll try and knock out. So here you go, where would you like to go? And there's a plus there. If I knock it to the side, open speller, we don't want that. So click on enter. It now brings you up the menu here. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Hale Walton, Preston, P R. We now need numbers. There you go. We wind it across till we see 1, 2, 3 there, and then select 1, 2, 3. So we're PR5, 4. We need to go back to the alphabet. We wind it along until we come to the alphabet. E, A. PR5 4EA. So that's what we want. PR5 4EA. We knock this down. It then highlights GB Preston PR5 4EA. That's what we want. Select it. Start route guidance. Start route guidance. That's giving me the fastest. It's giving me 3 routes. The fastest route, medium. So we'll select the fastest route. So you will have noticed it didn't give us any audible instruction. There's a plus up here. We knock. In order to get to the plus there, you can't select it by turning this. You have to knock the rotary selector across to the right. Knock it across to the right. That's where you can stop route guidance if you get close to your house and you don't want it to keep interrupting. But it brings up another menu: map settings, route criteria, voice guidance, navigation settings, Audi connect at this or exclude route. So what we want is voice guidance. We highlight voice guidance, select, and you'll see their voice guidance is off. So we click on that. Off, traffic, compact and complete. Click on complete. I mean, it's just unbelievable. It's way too complicated.
Please drive to the route shown.
But now we've got the voice. I hope that was clear. It's an awkward system to work with, I've got to say, but that's how you do it. Anyway, to get back to the map, we just click back like so. Back, and we're on the map. And right, so I've just gone through the telephone system and the pairing, deleting, streaming audio, and the sat nav. all that. If you've got an iPhone, forget it all. You lift the armrest up, you get your charging lead, you plug your charging lead in like so, then plug it in to the bottom of your phone and just wait for the magic to happen. Apple CarPlay, dead easy, you don't have to do anything. It's all your phone. And let me just see if you can do it by voice activation. I can't just see where the voice activation, oh, it's there, it's there. Long press. Navigate to Manchester.
Getting directions to Manchester.
Go.
Starting route to Manchester.
So the
southeast on Blackburn Road, then turn right onto Gregson Lane.
So the first one was the Audi actual navigation system built into it. The second one was the Apple, which you would normally do, saying "Hey, SIRI." If you keep your finger on it for a few seconds more than just a click, it will go to the Apple system. Again, you don't have to touch your phone. I have a pouch here, it can be in the pouch. Don't have to touch it, don't have to look at it. You just use this voice activation, but make sure you keep your thumb on it or finger on it for a couple of seconds. Text Barry Crampton.
What do you want to say?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in an Audi A3. It's really good.
Your message to Barry Crampton says just testing the Apple CarPlay system in an Audi A3 is really good. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Okay, so you'll now see that if I just go back, I'll click it over there. Click it onto the actual screen. You'll see there's a message in my message box, spookily enough. So here we go. Read messages.
150 sent a new message. 150 is a free service in the UK and EU and will be charged at local rates from other countries. Our most popular services are balance and allowance information, Incl data upgrade info, RO country name, roaming info, RO Italy for example CR, make a...
Yeah, I got fed up with that message. So it's a really good system. Let's say if you navigate to the screen here, I don't think it's a touch screen. No, it's not. So if you navigate here and it's just got all the apps that you've got set up. You go Audible. Go to Audible, up to Audible, select Audible, and there you go. There's the all your audio books.
Neil fires straight through the Blazers' windows.
Just a brilliant system.